Hey everyone, Noah Fox Reed, head winemaker at Tint Cellars. I'd like you to meet our 2015 William Church Cabernet Sauvignon. This is 90% Cabernet Sauvignon, 8% Petit Verdot, and 2% Cabernet Franc from Quintessence, Deneen, and Lewis Vineyards for the cab sources. It's fermented in stainless steel, some of that whole berry, which kind of rounds out the tannins, and then aged entirely in French oak for about 18 months. This is really good with anything off the grill or roasted vegetables. Get a lot of plum, anise, some toffee notes in this, some cigar box. Really chewy on the palate, really nice round tannins that are complementary. They're not too drying, so there's tannin, but it's not over the top, and a nice long finish. So again, you get that plum and a little bit of candied plum on the finish. So yeah, enjoy. Great wine for the greater good. Cheers.